Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In previous videos we have to discuss about definition of the matrices and the type of matrices. In today's video we can solve the exercise 3.1. So in exercise 3.1 the first question, in the matrix A is equal to 2, 5, 19, minus 7 is the first row, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12 is the second row, under 3, 1, minus 5, 17 is the third row. That means it is a matrix of order 3 by 4. Our question, so first the order of the matrix. What do you mean by order? Order, number of rows and number of columns. The given matrix has 3 rows and 4 columns. Therefore, the order of matrix is 3 by 4. The second, the number of elements. What do you mean by number of elements? The number of elements, that means the number of entries of the matrix. Order of matrix is order of matrix is 3 by 4. Number of elements is the product of rows and column. That means 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Third, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. The first element A13, the elements which lies in first row and first column. In this matrix we see first row 2, 5, 9, minus 7 and the third column is 19. That means the elements which lies in first row and third column is 19. Second, A21, elements which lies in second row and first column. This is the second row and this is first column. So 35, elements which lies in second row and first column is 35. The next one is A33, elements which lies in third row and third column. Under 3, 1, minus 5, 17 is the third row, 19, 5 by 2 and minus 5 is the third column. That means minus 5 is third row and third column. That means A33 is equal to minus 5. The next A24, elements which lies in second row and fourth column. Second row 35 minus 2, 5 by 2 and 12 and the fourth column is minus 7, 12 and 17. So 12 is the elements which lies in second row and fourth column. So A24 is 12 and A23, elements which lies in second row and third column. 35 minus 2, 5 by 2 and 12 is the second row and third column is 19, 5 by 2 and minus 5. So yani 5 by 2 is the elements which lies in second row and third column. Now the second question, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements. That means the matrix has 24 elements. So the product of number of row and number of column must be equal to 24, because we know that the number of elements are the product of rows and columns. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 itself. These are the possible factors of the 24. Now the order of matrix are 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, 6 into 4, 8 into 3, 12 into 2 and 24 into 1. Therefore there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So a matrix has 24 elements, then a matrix has 24 elements, then their order may be of 6 types. So the number of possible matrices are 8. In this question, again, if it has 13 elements, 13 is a prime number. Factors of 13 are 1 and 13. So there are 2 possibilities. Either 1 into 13 or 13 into 1. So a matrix has prime number of elements, then either this matrix is a row matrix or it's a column matrix. A matrix have order 1 into 13, that means there is only 1 row and 13 columns, so it is called a row matrix. If a matrix have the order 13 into 1, in this matrix there are 13 row but there is only 1 column, so it is column matrix. So we conclude that if a matrix has prime number of elements, then the matrix either it is row matrix or it is column matrix. Next, question third. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Similarly, according to the last questions, number of elements in the matrix is 18. So, the product of row and column must be equal to 18. Now, the factors of are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 itself. So, possible orders are 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, 9 into 2 and 18 into 1. If a matrix have 18 element, then there are 5 possibilities of the matrix. It may be 1 into 18, it may be 2 into 9, it may be 3 into 6, it may be 9 into 2 and it may be 18 into 1. Further, if a matrix has 5 elements, 5 is a prime number, number of elements is 5. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So, there are two possibilities, either order of the matrix is 1 into 5 or 5 into 1. If a matrix of order 1 into 5, then it is a row matrix, and if a matrix of order 5 into 1, then it is column matrix. So, the next question, fourth, construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j its square divided by 2. Let A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 is a 2 by 2 order matrix. It is given that Aij is equal to I plus j its square divided by 2. Using this, we have to find the value of A11, A12, A21 and A22. Now, A11, that means I is equal to 1, j is also equal to 1. So, 1 plus 1 its square divided by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. A12, I is 1, j is 2. So, 1 plus 2 its square divided by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. A21, I is 2, j is 1, its square divided by 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 square is 9. So, 9 divided by 2. A22 is equal to I is 2, j is also 2 and its square divided by 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 its square is 16, 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So, the required by 2 matrix is A is equal to A11 2, A12 9 by 2, A21 9 by 2, and A22 is 8. So which is the required matrix of order 2 by 2 satisfying the condition Aij is equal to I plus j its square divided by 2. Aij is equal to I upon j. A11 is equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. A12 I is 1, j is 2, so 1 by 2. A21 I is 2, j is 1, 2 by 1 is equal to 2. A22 I is 2, j is also 2, so 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So the required two by two matrix is A is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 1. Aij is equal to I plus 2j its square divided by 2. A11 I is 1, j is 2, so 1 plus 2 into 1 its square divided by 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 square is 9 divided by 2. A12 I is 1, j is 2, so 1 plus 2 into 2 its square divided by 2. 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5, 5 is square is 25 divided by 2. A21 I is 2, j is 1, 2 plus 2 into 1 its square divided by 2 is equal to 4 is square 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. A22 I is 2, j is also 2, so 2 plus 2 into 2 its square divided by 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. So the required matrix is A is equal to 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 18. It is sufficient for today's lecture. We will discuss the remaining questions of this exercise in next lecture. So keep in touch, watch our videos and subscribe our channel. Thanks to all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.